Today we will start new exercise number 4.3 quadratic equation. Solve the following equation. 3x square plus 2x minus under 3x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 7. Now, how to solve this question? We can see that in this question, this term is same as this term. 3x square plus 2x both are same, so we will suppose let t is equal to 3x square plus 2x. This we named as equation 1. So this term is t. So equation 1 becomes, if we substitute t instead of this term, t minus under root 3x square plus 2x we suppose as t. So instead of this term we write t minus 1 as it is equal to 7. Now minus under root t minus 1 as it is, and we take this t is positive and we take in the right side positive t becomes negative t. Now taking square on both sides, taking square on both sides. Why we suppose this t? Because this is a very difficult equation, so we solve it very answer is very time consuming. So answer we will be getting will be very time consuming. So what we will do, we will suppose the same terms so that our equation becomes easier and easy to solve and doesn't take time. So after supposing that much bigger equation becomes very small. So now taking square on both sides, minus under root t minus 1 whole square is equal to 7 minus t whole square. Minus square positive and 2 and under root cancel, what is left? T minus 1 and minus becomes positive is equal to 7 minus t square. What we get? 49 minus 14t plus t square. 7 minus t, 7 minus t. 7 are 49 plus minus 70 plus minus 70 minus plus t square. 49 minus 14t plus t square. Now 49 minus 14t plus t square as it is, and we take this term in the right side, positive t become negative t and minus 1 become plus 1. This becomes 0. So t square minus 14t and minus t, minus plus 14 plus 1 15t, and t square, this and this is solved. 49 plus 1 50. So t square minus 15t plus 50 equal to 0. Now we will take the midterm by making factor. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 10s are 50. So the factors are 10 and 15. T square minus 5t minus 10t plus 50 equal to 0. Minus plus 10 plus 5 15, and when we multiply we get 10 5 are 50 minus plus. Now after breaking the midterm, now we take common. T is common, 1t is left, minus t is common, 5 is left. This is plus 10 and this is negative, so we will negative, so we'll take negative common. Minus 10, minus minus plus t is left, minus plus minus t, 10, 5 by 50 equal to 0. T minus 5, t minus 10 equal to 0. Now t minus, first of all we put t minus 5 equal to 0. Next time